Ayo, what's going on, guys? My name is Heron. I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. If you guys do enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get right into it. So anyways, I ordered a belt, another one. But yeah, anyways, against my girlfriend and her mother and her brother's will, I actually ordered a belt at their house, and this one is a little thing. You guys know from the title, ladies and gentlemen, is Heron Preston. I have always wanted a Heron Preston item, but I never had the penis to buy it, so now we have it, and I'm extremely excited to open it for you guys. Obviously, shout out to Essence, it's $200. I got it for $100 because there's currently a sale, and some items are even half off. I'm not sponsored, I just love their site. That and Grailed, and honestly, I could totally do a video just shopping on Grailed for you guys if you were ever actually interested in that. I don't see why you would be, so I probably won't, but you know, you never know what you guys want, because you guys have done some pretty interesting requests, yeah. Gunsta, what are you doing here? Okay, open sesame. So obviously, presentation, always tip-top shape. We're just going to pull out the belt and hope it's everything we thought it was. Can't believe I spent $100 on this. It's orange, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it comes in a dust bag. That is very, very, very fancy. I'm going to be putting that down there because that's where I store all my bags. I store them on top of my Easy Box. I don't know, I just think it's funny. Alright, let's get this belt out and let's see what it actually looks like, ladies and gentlemen. We have ourselves a very, very nice Heron Preston tag right here. Made it of plastic. It has the Essence thing on it. That is extremely cool. Luckily, this just comes off really easily, so I don't have to give her a snip. It's not like the Off-White belt. It really hurt my soul to do that. So this is a pretty not that long belt. It actually has a very, very cool tag just right here on the buckle, so anyone that's asking can see it. Heron Preston, I love the Russian text on it. I think it's super interesting. Then you got a pull strap, actually. That is cool. And this belt is honestly beautiful. Other than my Off-White belt, this is probably one of my favorite belts. Like, my MCM one's okay, but this is where it's at, for real. Like, look at this. It just says, okay, you guys can't see it because of the light differential, but it says, from here you can, it says Heron Preston just along the side of the belt. Obviously, like, oh, dude, this is such a nice belt. It's so nice. I love this belt. I actually don't know how to tie this belt. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days. So first up, how I tie my belt is I put the loop through like this, put it in, pull as hard as I can. Not even that hard, to be totally honest. And then just gonna want to put it under like that for the loop, so it comes like this and it loops down like that, and it kind of just gives like it just gives kind of like a stylish, like, Asian kind of aesthetic. I like it. No one else likes it. But if you guys did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm out of here, bitch.